Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting new features of the DJI Flip drone. This new drone from DJI is packed with advanced technology and promises to offer a fantastic flying experience. Let's explore what makes the DJI Flip drone a must-have for drone enthusiasts. The DJI Flip drone is expected to launch soon. The anticipation is building as we await its official release. Weighing in at approximately 250 grams, the DJI Flip drone is lightweight and easy to carry. This makes it perfect for on-the-go adventures and ensures that it complies with various drone regulations worldwide. One of the standout features of the DJI Flip drone is its AI-powered tracking capabilities. This advanced technology allows the drone to follow subjects autonomously, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic footage. The DJI Flip drone features a foldable and compact design, making it incredibly portable. This design ensures that you can take the drone with you wherever you go without any hassle. Equipped with a 3,110 mAh battery, the DJI Flip drone offers extended flight times. This means you can enjoy longer flights and capture more footage without worrying about the battery running out quickly. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Flip drone is no exception. It comes with LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance, ensuring safer flights by detecting and avoiding obstacles in its path. The DJI Flip drone is equipped with OcuSync 4.0.4 for reliable connectivity. This ensures a stable and strong connection between the drone and the controller, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted flights. In conclusion, the DJI Flip drone is shaping up to be an impressive addition to DJI's lineup. With its lightweight design, AI-powered tracking, extended battery life, and advanced obstacle avoidance, there's a lot to look forward to. Share your thoughts about these exciting features in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest drone tech.